You know, they used to have this joke about somebody falling from a building. They said, "How you doing?" And they said, as he went through the windows, he's like, "So far, so good." Yeah, you know the joke I'm talking about.
I feel like that.
Yeah. You know, they always say it's not the fall that gets you, it's the landing. All right, so where are we on this case?
Oh,
He's got another case that is not indicted yet. I need to look at that as well and potentially maybe this to the global offer as I can to defense. So if I just didn't want more to set him before that, I suppose I'd get that to you.
All right, and what is the other case?
It's another.
All right, Mrs. Ferguson, if I can have a 30-day reset for discovery, please, on Reyes.
I can do August 12th.
that should be fine.
All right, we will see you back on August 12th. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
David Dunderlin.
Present.
Yes.
Morning.
Good morning. What page is David Dunderlin on?
Oh, I don't know. It's pretty early, I think.
He's on page 3 at the bottom, Judge.
All right, thank you.
He's got a family violence.
All right. So today is your plea deadline date?
So, Judge, I've been conferring with both sets of prosecutors because he has the indicted CTD case, plus he has a pre-file domestic violence case.
Mhm.
What we're all asking is for one more plea deadline setting because they don't have an answer on their family violence case as to what they might be able to do with it. There's a chance it's going away. So I would ask the court if we could have another few weeks maybe to give them the opportunity to see what they're going to do with it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for August 12th.
Yes,
You need to know what's happening by then, okay?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
thank you.
That's perfect. Thank you. May we
Thank
be
you.
excused?
Yes, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And thank you for being on time.
Thanks. Thank you.
Who is here on Jose Garcia Corona? Good morning. Hi, where is he?
He was taken into ICE custody some months ago, and I don't know the status of that case as of yet.
Okay. State, hi. She's saying her client is in ICE custody.
Yes, and I believe both parties may have difficulty determining status, like location. Is the defendant here? Is defendant somewhere else? We don't know if the court has resources to determine location. I do believe defense has tried every avenue available to them to locate defendant and have been unsuccessful. The state isn't here to move on the case today, not knowing where defendant is. If both parties knew location, we may be better able to come to a resolution.
All right, I'll find out his location if there's no objection.
Please, Judge.
All right, so we'll call it back on August 12th. I would be able to do it today, but I have a funeral to attend today.
I'm sorry
So-
to hear that.
Oh, thank you. So it'll be August 12th.
Thank you,
And
Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll discover the location.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Efren Soto? Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you doing? All right, how's it going?
I'm good.
So on this case, there was a PSI and tap done. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000850 State versus Efren Martinez Soto. Could I have parties announced for the state?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Phyllis Beal for the defense.
All right. And are you Mr. Soto?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Soto, you entered a plea bargain agreement with the state. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state is recommending community supervision. There's to be restitution of $10,800 to Gregory Brooks. And that was supposed to pay within the first days. I mean, I think I reset this for him to make payments.
Actually, he's already paid $2,000 of that, and that was probably before he pled.
Mhm.
So it's down to 8,800 now,
$8,800.
is what's left.
All right, when are you gonna be able to pay that?
I just got some work, so should be pretty soon.
What does that mean, pretty soon?
I'd say within month to 2 months, I think.
And that's the remaining 8,000?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 2 months.
Yes, ma'am. That's great, but
All right, you're gonna come in on September 8th and you'll need to have paid the remaining balance. And that remaining balance is, it's $8,800 if you paid 2,000. All right. All right, thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Well, thank you. God bless you too. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
have a seat.
Who is here for Troy Trevino?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here. I'm gonna be the new lawyer for him.
All right, where's he?
Oh, he's in custody. I didn't want to bring him up without, you know.
No, come on down.
Okay. People start moving around and everybody goes crazy.
All right. So, were you retained?
I was retained, Judge. They did make an offer. Obviously, they were kind enough to keep it open for 30 days, and that's kind of.
All right, let's do this first.
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna go on the record in 2025 CR 0060031, 2025 CR 0070000, 2025 CR 0070003, and 2025 CR 07063, State versus Troy Xavier Trevino. Are you Troy Xavier Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Troy Xavier Trevino.
All right, your previous attorney was John Pettis Jr. He filed motions in each one of your causes to withdraw as attorney of record. Do you have any objection to his withdrawal?
Oh, man.
All right, so in each cause number, the court will grant the defense's motion to be withdrawn as attorney. And your counsel currently is?
Travis Kettner, Judge.
All right. And do you have an objection to this being your attorney? All right, we can go off the record. So where are we now?
Judge, they made an offer this morning and they said they would keep it open for 30 days. And that's kind of where we're at. So I'm pretty familiar with what's going on. I've been talking to his family and stuff, but obviously we need to get the electronic discovery. I'll talk to him next week. So we're in good shape.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this, please, for a plea deadline date in 30 days.
I think so. I think you, August 11th.
That should be good.
All right, August 11th would be your plea deadline date.
9 a.m.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, let's talk about that. This docket was the kind of morning where you could see Judge Boyd's patience on full display as she managed a rotating cast of defendants, attorneys, and last-minute logistical tangles. A few cases stood out, starting with the one involving Mr. Efren Soto. You could tell Mr. Soto was genuinely trying to show he was serious about meeting his obligations. He had already paid $2,000 of his restitution to the victim and promised the remaining $8,800 would be coming within a month or two. Judge Boyd didn't let him off the hook easily, though. She pinned him down to a clear deadline and set a follow-up date to make sure that promise didn't just drift away. Her tone stayed warm. She even responded to his "God bless you" with the same. But she never let the seriousness of the obligation get lost in the conversation. Another memorable moment came when she addressed the case of Troy Xavier Trevino, who had just changed attorneys. The handoff was handled smoothly. The prior counsel formally withdrew. The new attorney stepped in, and Judge Boyd carefully confirmed Mr. Trevino had no objections. You could see she wasn't going to let a technicality create confusion down the road. Once the record was clear, she set a firm plea deadline, giving both sides time to exchange discovery and negotiate. In the middle of all this, you also had smaller procedural notes, like the state explaining the uncertainty in Mr. Jose Garcia Corona's ICE custody status. Judge Boyd struck a fair tone, acknowledging that neither side knew exactly where Mr. Garcia was, and promising to track down the location herself so the case wouldn't linger indefinitely. It was one of those moments where you could see the court acting as both an authority and a practical problem solver. Throughout the morning, the atmosphere stayed orderly, helped along by Judge Boyd's occasional humor and those little side remarks that reminded everyone this is still a room full of human beings. Even when she reminded defendants about appropriate attire or gently ribbed someone for nearly missing a deadline, her tone never turned harsh. Instead, she struck the balance she's known for, firm expectations and respect for everyone's dignity. You left with the impression that while a lot of these cases were procedural, they were also crucial to ensuring that the bigger cases didn't spiral into chaos. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone,